Here's a revelation for you. Very few people start an online business because they want an online business. We learn to build an online business because it's a tool which enables us to get the things we want in life rather than just cope. And we can do it without giving up the security of the income we have. Here's the thing. When we start out in life, we have so many dreams, the things we're going to do. And yet, somehow, for many people, life becomes about coping with the pressures of work. And when those demands build over time, something happens. We build this shield around us, like a shell hard on the outside to protect us from the world around. And as time goes by, the knocks and the setbacks that life brings can take their toll. And before we know it, like everyone else, we find ourselves putting on that Monday morning mask, painting over the cracks so our colleagues don't see. And we find ourselves looking for a better way. And there's always a better way when you look for it. And maybe if you're still here, then what I'm about to show you will give you that better way. That was my life until I too found myself watching someone who was talking about the fact that he built his own online business while he continued to work at his job, building a real company that can be run from a computer from pretty much anywhere in the world. The security of using your current income and the excitement of building a future. Now, this was exactly what I wanted, and I didn't even know it existed at the time. A way to replace my current income without losing the security I had. And I was watching this video and I was thinking, so I clicked through to the website, which you can do to mine now, and watched these stunning trainings, which were absolutely free. And that short video series changed my entire understanding of what is possible, how to start from scratch with little experience or knowledge, not even an idea of what business I'd create, and then grow a company that provides security and allows you to do the things you want to do. A whole new outlook on life. And as I made that change, it's what I was talking about at the start. No one has to work this job that society's demanded of everyone to work, at least not forever, because I think sometimes we're brainwashed by society that that's the only way to do it. And you know, security is nothing to turn your back on. So I'm now in a position in my journey where I can and want to spread the message that anyone can do this. Anyone who really wants a better way. And so I got together with the training company I use to give you access to the video series that shows just what is possible. It's easy. All you need to do is enter your email address on my website and I'll send them straight away. And if off the back of that, great. And if it's not for everyone, then no harm done. It's free anyway. And really, once you have watched and once someone can see this whole new world that's available to us all, for anyone who decides to start now and make security a priority, it's the mindset shift. It's that realization that there is another way. So anyone can make that transition and shift and take the first step. And once you do take that first step and consistently take action, you can change your reality relatively quickly. And it's amazing how quickly it can be achieved. For me, that was the real step, getting the awareness to realize that it's all actually possible. And so I'd say to anyone who wants to keep the security of your current income and do more than just cope with life while you get the things you want, it all starts by requesting a video series and learning just what's possible.